Hey everyone, welcome back. Tracy here. Today I want to show you a quick, easy recipe that you can make. You can vary the ingredients and make it your own. Ugh, I hate my voice.
Well, it's great for when you have friends over.
Okay, thanks. Okay, add in a little bit more than 2 cups of rice into the boiling liquid. Next, lower the heat and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the half-cooked rice and the broccoli, drain them out as much as you can, and put them in the casserole. Next, beat the 2 eggs and add about a cup of milk and salt and pepper to taste. Now grate about 2 to 4 cups of cheese depending on how much you like cheese. Now just sprinkle on the cheese and put it in the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. If you don't have a lid for your casserole, just put aluminum foil.
Is it ready yet?
Yeah, come eat it if you want. So that's it, guys. You can eat it as a side dish or as a meal, or you could switch to a vegetable broth and make it a great vegetarian meal. It keeps in the fridge for a few days and even freezes well. And remember, you can switch up the broth to even tomato juice, but just add a bit of water to that tomato juice or it'll be too thick. Switch up the vegetables or remove the vegetables completely. You can even add water or spices if you want, and make whatever you think your family will like. So that'll be it for today. Talk to me about this in the comments below or just say hi. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up, and please subscribe and leave a thumbs up and turn on the little bell below so you'll hear when I post the next video. Join me again soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.